Hello, morning everybody.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, thanks. Fine. I think, okay, several participants already here. Guys, before proceeding, in fact, not proceeding any further, due to certain reasons, first and foremost, my throat is not well, so nothing on you. Another thing is, it feels like perhaps there has been less time and it has been going too much work. Does it feel like that? Getting ample time for practice. अच्छा पहले तो फिर यही बताओ, इज माई वॉइस क्लियर? इज माई ऑडियो लाउड एंड क्लियर? ओके, शिवाली मे बी यू शुड tweak your device a bit. Okay, fair. Okay, have you done something on that Titanic dataset? I left that Titanic dataset for some visual analysis. Have you been able to do something? Okay. अच्छा. It is because people, our module is a little bit hectic. मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ये सब चीज़ें. Hectic in the sense, if you will see your schedule, if you will see your LMS curriculum, you will see. हाँ मतलब हो गया जो कुछ होना था अभी. It will be project after project. Some theory, some tips, some tricks that I will definitely discuss. but for most of it, it is done. Well, before I go ahead, can you people tell me what is your idea about logistic regression? A linear regression, maybe. If I'm talking about linear regression, what is linear, what is regression? Okay. Basically, it is when we are predicting a target variable with the help of an independent variable. So yes, and what it is target. Okay, can we do one thing? Anybody who is comfortable explaining, can I do it quickly? A quick review for others. Others say who is confident about what happens behind the screen with a regression model. हाँ, वो कोई नहीं बोलेगा। हाँ। चलो ठीक है। Okay, let's do one thing. Let's uh, let's catch hold of a data set, and we will do with help of that. I think that will do good. You know? Or maybe before proceeding, do you want to discuss that visualization thing? Should I talk about that first? How you are visualizing? I mean, I will not do anything in that. What you have done, I can check that. That is why the idea that perhaps you are not getting ample time because there are no submissions. Without submissions, I cannot grade you. You think are piling up people. You are leaving your assignment grades to my mood and whims and fancies. Doesn't seem like a good idea. Well, rest whatever you wish. Okay, let's check this out. Let's see for once that visualization what we were doing. So we had this Titanic dataset. It contains details of passengers, and okay, we are checking structure that we already know. Checking structure is always a good idea. And as it happens, we find something. You see, survived is integer, 01 numeric है. Passenger class again integer, numeric है. It should not be numeric. Yes or no? Yes or no? These both should not be numeric. They are looking like 01 survived column. It doesn't mean 01. It is survived and not survived. Same goes for passenger class. It is 123 123. It does not mean 123 4 5 6. It stands for first ACs, or first class, second class, third class, kind of, right? Yeah, remember numeric operations should make sense on them. और yes or no, फर्स्ट क्लास और थर्ड क्लास का एवरेज सेकंड क्लास नहीं हो सकता. 1 और 3 का एवरेज 2 हो सकता है. न्यूमेरिक ऑपरेशंस नॉट एप्लीकेबल हियर. Should not be numeric. Correct? Okay. How did you go about it? What was your thought? So checking head to tail just to get the feel of the data set. Some this is head, this is tail, and now we will start off with some visualization. How did you create visualizations? What was your idea? What did you do first after this? डेटा सेट रीड हो गया, कुछ पढ़ लिया आपने थोड़ा बहुत. व्हाट डू वी डू नाउ? चलो ये भी हो गया. We realize survived column should not be numeric. Passenger class column should not be numeric. Let's convert them into character. So even that is done. What next?
So checking the relation between the survive according to the this gender and then age.
हाँ, तो क्या किया उसमें?
सर मैंने तो स्कैटर प्लॉट ट्राई किया था पर उसमें एग्जैक्ट नहीं होना.
हाँ, वही बताना चाह रहा हूँ. अब क्या
Exact.
होगा? आप लोगों ने बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया होगा और क्या क्या लिखा है उसमें जरा देखते हैं. ऋतिक ट्राइड समथिंग. लेट्स सी व्हाट ऋतिक हैज डन. Because you know, as such it will have no limit. The sky is the limit. You can do n number of things. Ritik is doing by group by Titanic survived, and he wants to see whether how many survived and how many didn't. Then he is creating DF and okay. इससे पता चला एंड्रो. अच्छा ठीक है. एस्थेटिक्स में एक्स एक्सिस पे कुछ नहीं रखना चाहते, वाई एक्सिस पे नंबर रखना चाहते हैं. एंड it is so good to see, well, Ritik, that you are trying n number of things. However, acha, it is because not Ritik's mistake, it is my mistake. And Ritik has been able to create a pie chart which suggests how many survived, how many didn't survive. Basically, the percentage of survived and non-survived people. Fantastic. I think it is very good to see. Yes or no? सबसे पहले तो यही देखें कि हमारे डेटा सेट में कितने लोग सर्वाइव वाले दिए हैं, कितने लोग नॉन सर्वाइव वाले दिए हैं, तब ना कुछ और करेंगे। तो seems like a fantastic idea. Okay, Harish, you have given me text that says, okay, you are trying to see survival against gender, but what my idea is, देखो ऐसे ही चलेगा क्या? Don't you think there should be a system? When I say system, system in the sense, सर्वाइव्ड कॉलम है, फिर कभी जेंडर के अगेंस्ट देखने लगे, फिर कभी कुछ और देखने लगे, फिर कभी कुछ और देखने लगे. इट शुड नॉट गो लाइक दैट, नो. I hope you are getting. Yes. So what that should be? How should we go about this? I think, okay, first we are trying it with the target column, and then maybe we can proceed with bivariate. Our target column against each variable one at a time. I think makes sense. ओके ऋतिक, इससे क्या होगा? व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? अभी तो बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे थे, पता नहीं क्या क्या ट्राई कर लिया है. ओके, पैसेंजर क्लास से कुछ लोगों ने देख लिया है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू पैसेंजर क्लास व्हाट विल हैपन विद सर्वाइव. तो आप में से किसी का कोड लेकर के डालो हूँ. So perhaps we see something like this. Nice. हाँ, एज पे भी पहुंचेंगे अभी. आई एम सेइंग वन एट अ टाइम, एक एक करके देखें, है ना? ठीक है, आई बिलीव एवरीबडी गेट्स दैट. वन गुड आइडिया वुड बी कि पहले टारगेट कॉलम में रेशियो ही देखें, हाउ मैनी सर्वाइव्ड, हाउ मैनी डिडंट. So we get to see this. So this is part of analysis. Yes. Now we want to see those who survived, what happened in which passenger class, and we get to see this. Kind of a bar chart. You see, now there are two categorical variables at play. You are realizing this? Which two? पहले तो मेरे को देखना है पैसेंजर क्लास में अलग अलग चले जाए, कितने लोग किस पैसेंजर क्लास में से थे, and then within each passenger class I want to see what happened to them, how many survived, how many didn't. So you getting my point? Now pie chart doesn't seem like a good idea. I think bar chart will help. So, Shivali kind of thought that bar chart will do good, and as it happens, I think they are doing good. For passenger class, when we are Madhu has done similar thing. Madhu, you must be getting similar graph. Yukti has just added another layer, which is code flip, so that you can try. Well, I think all in all, seems like a good idea. Can we do it better? We can do it little better because there's a you remember there have I told you these three are mandatory layers. On top of that, there can be you see these code equal, code fix, code flip, code tag, code caller. That is to create pie charts. So now since there are two variables, two categorical variables at play, pie chart is not making much of sense. Code flip is just to create horizontal bars. So these are options just to make your graphs more appealing. So these are additional layers which are possible. I'm doing something else. I'm not doing this, and I think maybe you will like it. What I'm doing is rather than code flip, guys, is my screen moving?